In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from Shopify store. If an app is no longer helping your workflow, uninstalling it keeps your admin tidy, reduces clutter, and can prevent unnecessary charges. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few quick tips so you can remove apps confidently without breaking anything on your live store. Start by signing in and opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store. Look to the lower left corner and click the gear icon labeled Settings. Settings is where Shopify groups store-wide controls, including the place where apps are managed, so heading there first keeps everything in one straightforward path. Inside Settings, open the Apps section. Here you'll see a list of the apps currently installed on your store, including any sales channels or third-party tools. If your list is long, use the search field at the top to quickly locate the app you want to remove. You're in the right place when you can see an options menu next to each app. Find the app you want to uninstall and click the three dots, also called the More Actions menu, next to its name. This menu houses actions specific to that app. Choosing it ensures you're making changes to the correct app, which is especially helpful if you have similar tools installed for testing or seasonal campaigns. In the menu that appears, click Uninstall. Shopify will show a confirmation window. You may be asked to choose a reason for uninstalling, and some apps offer a checkbox to remove associated data. If you're experimenting or think you might reinstall later, consider leaving app data in place. If you're certain you're done, removing data can help keep your store clean. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Shopify will remove the app and revoke its access to your store. Going forward, Shopify billing stops for apps that bill through Shopify when they're uninstalled. If an app uses external billing, check the app's documentation to make sure there's nothing else you need to cancel. After removal, your storefront should continue to function normally. If an app previously injected theme code or left badges, review your theme or contact the app's support for cleanup guidance. And that's it. You opened your dashboard, went into Settings, selected Apps, used the three dots to find More Actions, chose Uninstall, and confirmed. Keep this process in mind anytime you want to tidy your toolset or cut costs. If you're testing alternatives, uninstalling inactive apps regularly helps keep your store fast and organized. Thanks for watching.